Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you try, you're still not getting what you truly want? Whether it's money, success, a dream job, or peace of mind, what if I told you that there's a proven method to get exactly what you want in life? This is not magic. This is mindset, strategy, and science. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to get whatever you want in life. Welcome to Thik Money Grow Money, your one-stop place for success, money, and mindset growth. Part 1, clarity is power. Be clear on what you want. The first step to creating lasting change in your life is simple, but powerful. Be clear on what you want. Most people never get what they truly want, and the biggest reason is they don't even know what they want in the first place. Think about it. If you don't set a destination in your GPS, how will it guide you? It won't. You'll just keep driving, wasting fuel, time, and energy without ever reaching anywhere meaningful. This is exactly how most people live their lives. They work hard, stay busy, and hustle every day, but they have no clear direction. Their energy is scattered, their actions are random, and their results are inconsistent. Why? Because they lack clarity. Clarity means knowing exactly what you want, not a vague idea like, I want to be rich or I want to be happy. That's too broad. Real clarity sounds like, I want to build a $10,000 emergency fund in the next 12 months, or I want to increase my credit score to 750 within 6 months. When you're that specific, your brain starts aligning every thought and action with that goal. Your mind is incredibly powerful, but it needs direction. When you tell it clearly what you want, it begins filtering opportunities, noticing patterns, and attracting resources that match your vision. Clarity turns on your internal GPS, and once that happens, you stop drifting and start driving. Without clarity, people feel stuck. They feel overwhelmed. They procrastinate. Not because they're lazy, but because they're confused. And when you're confused, you hesitate. You second-guess yourself. You make poor decisions or no decisions at all. That's why clarity isn't just power. Clarity is confidence. When you know what you want, you act with purpose. You stop chasing everything and start focusing on the one thing that truly matters. You stop saying yes to distractions and start saying no to anything that pulls you away from your path. So take the time. Sit down with a blank sheet of paper. Ask yourself, what do I really want in life? Break it down into categories: career, money, health, relationships. Write down short-term goals and long-term dreams. Be honest. Be specific. Don't worry about how you'll get there yet. Just define your destination. Because when your destination is clear, the journey becomes easier. Remember this: vague goals lead to vague results. Specific goals lead to specific outcomes. If you want power, start with clarity. If you want progress, start with vision. The first and most important step in any transformation is to be absolutely clear on what you want. Clarity gives you focus. Clarity gives you motivation. And most importantly, clarity gives you power. Part 2, believe you deserve it. The second step is just as important as the first. Believe you deserve it. You can have the clearest vision, the most detailed goals, and the perfect plan. But if deep down you don't believe you're worthy of success, you'll never reach it. Why? Because your belief system controls your behavior. If you believe you're not good enough, smart enough, or capable enough, your actions will reflect that belief. You won't take the right steps. You'll hesitate, delay, or sabotage your progress. You'll reject opportunities. Even when success knocks at your door, you'll convince yourself you're not ready. That's why belief isn't optional. It's foundational. You must start with one simple truth. You are worthy of success. You deserve financial freedom. You are capable of achieving your dreams. When you believe this deeply, something powerful happens. Your subconscious mind gets activated. Your mindset shifts from, can I do this, to I will do this. And that changes everything. Here's the reality. People don't rise to the level of their goals. They fall to the level of their beliefs. If you want to grow financially, emotionally, or professionally, your self-image has to rise first. And that starts with positive affirmations. It may sound simple, but saying things like, I am worthy of abundance, I am capable of making smart financial decisions. I deserve a debt-free, stress-free life. I believe in myself and my ability to succeed. These affirmations reprogram your mind. Repetition builds belief, and belief builds behavior. When your brain believes in your potential, your actions naturally align. You start showing up differently. You make bolder decisions. You take risks. You stop settling. Think of it like this. If your brain is the engine, belief is the fuel. Without belief, you won't move forward, no matter how perfect your roadmap is. And here's another truth. You don't have to be perfect to believe in yourself. You don't have to have it all figured out. Self-belief is not arrogance. It's self-respect. It means giving yourself permission to succeed, even if you failed in the past. Everyone has doubts, but the people who succeed are the ones who feel the fear and move forward anyway, because their belief is stronger than their doubt. So start today. Look in the mirror and say it out loud. I deserve this. I am capable. I believe in myself. Say it until you believe it. Say it until it becomes your truth. Because once your brain believes you can achieve something, your thoughts change, your choices change, your habits change, and your life begins to transform. Step 2 is simple but powerful. Believe you deserve it. Because the moment you do, you stop chasing your dreams and start attracting them. Part 3, take relentless action. Now comes the most important part. Take action. You can have clarity. You can believe in yourself. But if you don't take action, nothing will change. Dreams without action are just fantasies. No wish works without work. Success doesn't come by hoping. It comes by doing. The truth is, the universe helps those who help themselves. It rewards those who move, who act, who show up even when it's hard, even when they don't feel ready. People often wait for the perfect time to begin. They say, I'll start when I have more time, or I'll begin when I'm fully prepared. But that day never comes. Perfection is the enemy of progress. The only perfect time is now. So take action, even if it's messy, even if it's small, even if you're scared. Break your big goal into small daily tasks. That's the secret to momentum. Want to start a business? Don't wait until you have all the money or a full plan. Start by researching your niche. Read a book. Watch a video. Write one page of your business idea today. Want to lose weight? Don't wait until Monday. Start walking today. Drink more water. Eat one healthy meal. Small wins build confidence, and confidence builds consistency. Consistency beats intensity. It's not about doing everything in one day. It's about doing something every day. Even tiny steps add up. One step at a time, one task at a time, one day at a time. That's how goals are achieved. Taking action creates momentum, and momentum creates motivation. The more you do, the more energy you feel. The more progress you see, the more driven you become. You start to feel powerful, in control, unstoppable. But remember, action doesn't always feel exciting. Sometimes it's boring. Sometimes it's tiring. But that's where discipline kicks in. Winners don't act only when they feel like it. They act even when they don't. That's the difference between those who wish for change and those who create it. And don't be afraid to fail. Failure is not the end. It's feedback. Every mistake is a lesson. Every setback is part of the journey. Don't wait to be perfect. Just start and learn as you go. So what's one thing you can do today? Just one action. Make a call. Write a plan. Walk for 10 minutes. Invest $10. Read one chapter. Do something. Because action is proof that you believe. When you take relentless action, you send a message to the universe. I'm serious about my goals. I'm ready to grow. And the universe will respond with opportunities, growth, and breakthroughs. So remember the final step. Take relentless action. Show up every day. Build habits. Embrace the grind. Because dreams don't work unless you do.
Part 4. Remove distractions and stay consistent. Let's face it, distractions are everywhere. And most of the time they look harmless. Scrolling through social media, binge-watching shows, jumping from task to task, or constantly comparing yourself to others. But make no mistake, These small distractions silently destroy big dreams. Remove the noise. If you're serious about achieving your goals, you have to protect your focus like your life depends on it, because your future does. Every minute spent watching someone else live their dream is a minute you could be working on your own. Ask yourself, how many hours do I lose to pointless scrolling? How often do I procrastinate by saying, "I'll start tomorrow"? How many times do I compare myself to others and then feel discouraged? These habits are like invisible thieves. They don't just steal your time. They steal your energy, your confidence, and your momentum. That's why you must create a distraction-free environment. Set boundaries with your phone. Turn off notifications. Use apps that block social media when you're working. Create a space where your goals can breathe. Because here's a truth many don't want to hear. You don't lack time. You're just spending it on the wrong things. And when distractions come, and they will, you need something stronger than motivation. That's where discipline comes in. Discipline beats motivation. Motivation feels good, but it's temporary. It comes and goes. Some days you'll feel excited. Other days you won't feel like doing anything. And that's okay. Because success doesn't come from doing things only when you feel inspired. It comes from doing them even when you don't. Winners show up regardless of how they feel. They train when tired. They work when it's uncomfortable. They push through boredom and doubt because they understand one thing: consistency compounds. Doing one small thing every day, even when it feels insignificant, creates massive results over time. It's not the giant leaps, but the daily steps that build success. So, build habits, create routines, stick to schedules. Make your success non-negotiable. If you want to change your life, you must first change your daily behavior. What you do consistently shapes who you become. And every time you choose discipline over distraction, you get stronger. You move closer to your goals. Remember, discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't want to. And removing distractions is an act of self-respect. So cut the noise. Focus on your vision. Stay consistent. Because the people who win are not the most talented or the most motivated. They're the ones who stay focused, disciplined, and consistent, no matter what. Part 5. Trust the process. This is the final and most powerful step. Trust the process. In today's world of instant gratification, we expect everything to happen fast. We want success in a week, transformation in a month, and results without the grind. But that's not how real growth works. Things won't happen overnight. True success takes time. Building wealth, starting a business, improving your health, mastering a skill, it all requires patience. And during this journey, there will be moments when you feel like giving up. Moments when it seems like nothing is changing. But those are the moments that test your character. That's when you must remind yourself, progress is happening, even when you can't see it yet. Think of a seed planted in the soil. For weeks, there's no visible sign of growth. But beneath the surface, roots are forming. The foundation is being laid. And eventually, that seed breaks through the ground and grows into something powerful. The same is true for your goals. Every effort you make is planting a seed. Every day of consistency, every disciplined choice, every small action. It's all adding up. Just because you don't see results instantly doesn't mean it's not working. Trust the process. When you commit to something, give it time. Don't quit just because it's hard. Don't switch paths every time it feels slow. The people who succeed aren't the ones who get results the fastest. They're the ones who don't stop when it gets tough. Because here's the truth. Results are guaranteed if you stay consistent. Maybe not in a week. Maybe not exactly how you imagined. But if you keep showing up, keep learning, keep adapting, you will get there. Doubt will whisper in your ear. Is this even worth it? What if I fail? Others are ahead of me. But ignore the noise. Your journey is your own. Don't compare your chapter 2 to someone else's chapter 20. Focus on your pace, your growth, your process. Some of the greatest success stories came from people who stayed patient. They worked for years before the world noticed. And when their moment came, it seemed like they became an overnight success. But what people didn't see was the grind behind the scenes. You're building something that lasts, and that takes time. So stay the course, even when it's hard, even when results are slow, especially when it feels like nothing is working. That's when you're closest to a breakthrough. This is the final message. Trust the process. Believe in your work. Keep going, because the finish line belongs to those who never stop moving forward. You've come this far. Don't give up now. Your time is coming. If you found this valuable, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe to Thik Money Grow Money, because your journey to success is just getting started. Clarity, belief, action, focus, trust. That's how you get whatever you want. Thanks for watching.